Stay active at the Excel Groove Condo at LaSalle 52's impressive sports facilities at the Excel Groove Condo at LaSalle 52. Staying active and maintaining your fitness routine is a breeze. With a range of top-notch sports facilities, this hotel ensures that one of the standout features of this hotel is its state-of-the-art indoor pool. Whether you're a seasoned swimmer or just looking to relax and unwind, this pool is the perfect place to take a dip. With its crystal-clear waters and tranquil ambience, you'll feel rejuvenated after a. For those who prefer a more intense workout, the Excel Groove Condo at LaSalle 52 also offers a well-equipped fitness center. Packed with modern cardio and strength training equipment, this gym is designed to cater to all fitness levels. Whether you're looking to burn calories, build strength, or improve your overall fitness, this fitness center has everything you need to achieve your goals. Additionally, the hotel boasts a stunning outdoor pool, perfect for enjoying a swim under the sun or simply lounging by the water. Surrounded by lush greenery and offering breathtaking with its impressive sports facilities, the Excel Groove Condo at LaSalle 52 ensures that guests can stay active and enjoy their stay to the fullest. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or simply looking to unwind, these facilities are sure to exceed your expectations. Convenient transport facilities at the Excel Groove Condo at LaSalle 52 at the Excel Groove. Additionally, the hotel's car park is a great advantage for those who wish to explore the surrounding areas at their own pace. Bangkok's bustling streets can sometimes be challenging to navigate, but with a car park readily available, guests can confidently venture out to visit near. One of the highlights of Bangna is the impressive Central Plaza Bangna, a sprawling shopping mall that boasts a wide range of international and local brands, as well as a variety of dining options and entertainment facilities. Visitors can immerse themselves in the vibrant atmosphere. For those interested in Thai culture, a visit to the Erawan Museum is a must. This unique museum showcases an extensive collection of religious artifacts and sculptures, including a giant three-headed elephant statue that stands as a symbol of Hindu mythology.